Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So those who are new, I just wanted to introduce myself to you because I see there are some new subscribers. I'm Divya and I post mostly about, I post about everything, but mostly about skincare and beauty and a little bit of fashion. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce a new brand to all of you, which is eco-friendly also, and they make some utility products, and those products are eco-friendly, vegan, and also they are made out of organic material. So without much ado, let's this brand basically which I was talking about is the name is Akiko. It is a very nice eco-friendly brand which is actually taking this motive forward, that they want environment to be clean and to be safe, and that is why they are making their products with the fabric which is organic, which is vegan, and they are not using any sort of plastic in their products, so which is very good. It actually resonates with my personal thought process as well, because I also believe that it is very important to keep our environment safe. And so let me show you what I got. Firstly, their package was very it was eco-friendly. They have not used any plastic material or something. It is just they had packed in this little bag sort of, or what I say, box, little box, cardboard box sort of thing. And also the paper that you are seeing is very it's recyclable, and it's not at all harmful for the environment. So I'm sorry, but I have already opened it, so I won't say this is and this is an unboxing video, but yes, it was just that I am super happy with this brand, so I just wanted to share this with all of you, that what all I got from this brand. So first thing, I got this little cute mesh bag, you can see, that they had sent me, and in that we have let me show you what I have. They have sent me their reusable facial rounds. So these are reusable facial rounds. If I think, no, it's not, camera is reading it opposite. So just focus on the products. These are the products that they have given. This is that facial round, and the material is so soft. It is something which will not harm to your face, and what is more interesting is that it is washable, so you are not making any waste, so it's kind of a zero waste thing. So this is a little bunch of their facial rounds, and you will see me using these facial rounds in upcoming beauty videos as well. And also please don't forget to follow me on Instagram page. There is a lot of stuff that I share on my Instagram page, so you will get somewhere here. Okay, so next that I got is, they have packed in this. I'm liking its packaging so much. Okay, so I got this nice circle bag from Akiko, and see, it is very spacious, and just have a look at the material. It is so good. Quality is really very nice, and it is quite thick, and it is raw white in color. And also, if I may read, it's eco-friendly and natural, as I told you, and it is unbleached, and it's vertical Indian cotton, easy to maintain, very easy to maintain. Just wash it and you will get a clean eco-friendly circle bag. Okay, let me show you. It's also very spacious as well, so you can see that's a lot of it. And here also you are getting a pocket, so you can keep other your accessories or whatever utility things when you go out in this. And also see this, see so much so much space in this bag. I mean, I'm impressed with firstly with the quality, and also the kind of space this bag is having. It's marvelous. That's it from my side today. I will be back super soon with another good and interesting video for all of you. Till then, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this and share this video with your friends and family, and do click a bell icon. And please, your support means a lot for me. I'm a little YouTuber and I really need your support. Till the time we meet again, goodbye, and I'll see you soon.